Sorry about that. All right, so doing more practice. Again, we have our patterns for law of detachment and law of syllogism. All right, so here we're going to look at through these and we're going to determine whether or not they are law of detachment or law of syllogism. The easiest way to do this is to go ahead and use your mapping. So, given, if I drove over the speed limit, so that's P, then I will get a ticket, that is Q. I drove over the speed limit, that's P again. I got a ticket, that is Q again. So looking at our statement, the one that has Q at the end is law of detachment. Okay, let's look at number 2. If Amanda goes to the restaurant, so that's P, then she will order a hamburger, so that's Q. If she orders a hamburger, so that's Q again, then she will get fries. That is a new statement, so that is R. If Amanda goes to a restaurant, so that's P, then she will get fries. That's R. So we know this is law of syllogism. Okay. Number 3, if it snows, so that's P, then I will wear my snow boots. That's Q. If it snows, all right, so we got P again, then I won't go to school that day, so that's R. Notice either it needs to be P, then Q, then Q, then R, or P, then Q, then P. Therefore, Q. Therefore, P, then R. So this right here cancels this out, so then we have an invalid conclusion. And therefore, we can't make any assumptions. Okay? Take a few minutes and do 4, 5, all the way up to number 8. I'm going to go ahead and give you the answers. So 4 should have been law of detachment. Number 5 should have been invalid. Number 6 should have been law of syllogism. I'll just put L of S. Number 7 should be law of detachment. I'm going to put L of D. Number 8, you should have gotten invalid. All right, number 9. So answer 1, 2, and 3. So we want to use the law of syllogism to write 3 conditional statements that can be formed from the following true statements. Okay, so let's work this through. Law of syllogism is P, then Q, then Q, then R, therefore P, then Q. So we've got P, then Q. All right, we've got Q, then we have a new statement, R. So we can definitely write that one. So we can write, if a quadrilateral is a square, then it is a rectangle. Number 2. All right. So we've got, we could also write as a conclusion. So we have P, so because we're writing a conclusion statement, we can write if a quadrilateral has 4 right angles, then its opposite sides are congruent. The last one we can write, if a quadrilateral is a rhombus, then it is a parallelogram. All right, that concludes deductive reasoning, and you should be able to do the additional quiz and the assignment that's in